Hello, my name is Tobias, and I will show you how to set up the Midea PortaSplit on your window. On roof windows, the outdoor unit is attached to the outside of the window using the universal bracket. To do this, you need the following things: the protection plate, the universal bracket, parts number 1, 2, 3, and 5. The universal bracket is not included and must be purchased separately. 8 screws, the steel cable. Part 1 of the universal bracket must be attached to the back of the outdoor unit using 4 screws. Make sure that the bracket is screwed on with the number facing upwards. For the bracket, you will need parts 2 and 3. These should already be connected when delivered, but still need to be adjusted in length. In most cases, the bracket will fit if the screws are attached to either the last or second to last holes. Start with this position and tighten both screws. If necessary, adjust the length of the bracket to suit the conditions of your roof window. To secure the bracket when attaching it, hook the steel cable onto the bracket and then onto the back of the indoor unit. To find the best position for the bracket, temporarily attach it to the window frame. It is important that it rests straight and firmly on the roof. Make sure that there is at least 15 centimeters of space to the right and left to the window frame. Part 5 can only be attached once. Therefore, check the position carefully beforehand. Make sure that the bracket can be screwed on correctly. Once you have determined the correct position, mark the correct spot on one side of the bracket. Attach part 5 of the universal bracket to the marked spot on the window frame. It should be attached straight so that the outdoor unit will also be straight later. Fix the bracket with 2 screws. Now you can slowly slide the outdoor unit into the window bracket up to the stop point. Make sure that both guide rails run exactly into each other. Close the window as far as possible. The back of the PortaSplit indoor unit must be at least 25 centimeters away from the wall during use to ensure adequate ventilation of the device. To deinstall the PortaSplit, turn off the device, unplug it, and roll up the power cable on the back of the indoor unit. Place the protection plate on the indoor unit. Lift the outdoor unit out of the bracket and place it on the indoor unit. Now remove the screws and bring the bracket inside. You can find further information about your PortaSplit and additional accessories in the enclosed manual.